So I had to throw this in here. It's my weakness. So really, I made this for me. So I hope you benefit from this as well. So mindful eating. So that's when you're paying attention to the flavors, yeah, the textures, right, of the food, each bite, everything, right? And you'll really start to notice what you really like you'll really enjoy. And then also I was doing some research. It was saying that you will fill up much less food as your body takes time to get full rather than, you know, dumping all the food here before it gets here and starts expanding, right? Next one, regular exercise. This helps reduce stress, your anxiety, boost your mood, improve your cognitive functions and focus. So this could be anything, could be weightlifting, could be walking, running. For me personally, most of my stuff is biking, or I'll do like I wouldn't say a full workout. It's more like a mix of yoga and strength training. So it has like some leg lift stretches and body twists to get loose. But then it also goes into a lot of push ups, sit ups, twists, all that stuff. So that's what I'm into. I don't really like, lifting weights or doing full workouts. I like to stretch my body, do stuff that helps with biking, which are more like stability type exercises. So push ups, planks, those twists, stuff like that. It builds the muscles I need for biking, which is what I really get my exercise in. I could bike for small as 2 hours, and it could be like a half day trip where it's like 4 to 5 hours, right? So that's my style. And then the last one is mindful exercise. So this could be really anything. It could be when you're focusing on your food. It could be when you're just in the moment thinking and enjoying everything around you. This could help with when you're working out, you're just focusing on that exact thing you're doing, nothing else. Could be from breathing, all that stuff. You need to use your mind, exercise it, and it'll grow. When you don't use it and you just let it go through these loops, you get stuck in those loops, and then you stop having your deep thoughts and all that stuff because you're on autopilot. So keep pulling yourself back, keep growing your brain, and you're going to see some great results, not only in trading, but everything else will start to fall in place. And you'll see, and it's an amazing feeling, right? We're so focused on trading and trying to become a successful trader. That's our main goal. But you'll notice to get success in trading, you have to have some successes elsewhere. And that energy from those other successes come back to trading. And same thing, your successes in trading fuel your successes elsewhere. So you kind of need everything. You can't just shut down and focus on one thing because in the long run, it will hurt you.